Hey, it's Miguel, and this is a couple pages. All right, everyone, welcome back. And before we get into the art part of this video, let's do an unboxing. And I guess perhaps not a lot of you guys know that I listen to vinyl, and I collect it. So while I am trying to reduce my purchases, this is my last purchase of 2017, technically. So this is the album Think Tank by Tank and the Bangas. And for those who don't know who they are, they won the NPR Tiny Desk contest. And that's actually what's playing in the background. If you guys didn't know, I'll put the link in the description. I definitely suggest everyone to watch that. They're super entertaining. Yeah, that's why I picked this up. So, and this would be the inspiration for today's art journal. No, it's not an art journal. I don't really know what it's gonna be called, but yeah, it's a yeah. I'll quickly play, I suppose, but it's kind of hard to really tell the audio quality through the audio recording. So I'll play a little snippet and then I'll resume the NPR video. And we're back. That was actually just a small snippet of the intro from the album. Yeah, I suggest you guys to listen to it on wherever you guys listen to music, Spotify, iTunes. I'll link everything down below. But yeah, before we get into the art portion of this, I just want to put a disclaimer that due to some technical difficulties, this is actually my second time drawing this, so that's why I could do this way faster than I usually can. And I'll basically show you guys what my process is with my black and white design. Yeah, so I'm gonna quickly sketch the outline, and yeah, so my process is actually super simple. So I like having a focus, a subject, so I'll put that in the center, and then I usually add some sort of shape around it to kind of frame the subject. And yeah, so I decided on my subject as Tank from Tank and the Bangas, of course. And yeah, so I'll try and post the reference photo if I could find it. But yeah, so this is me framing it right now using this lens cap. And yeah, so the photo I picked was Tank being her energetic self. If you guys have watched any videos from her performance, you could definitely tell that she's super energetic and just, yeah, there's so much emotion in her performances. So that's kind of what I'm trying to bring out with this simple black and white design. So hopefully that comes out. But yeah, and this is just me outlining it. And here's the reference photo. Look at her, she's so happy. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to capture with this design, and I'm liking it so far, and I'm just trying to trace it very... I think I'm doing a pretty good job. But yeah, so I'm also thinking about adding a line from one of her songs. I think that's usually my thing. That's usually what I like to do. And I think I'm gonna settle with a line from her song Roller Coasters, and the line is, "It's the butterflies and the fireflies." It's a short snippet of the full line, of course, and yeah, I'll post the close up of the photo because it's kind of hard to see for this one, as you see later on. It's hard to focus on it. So check my Instagram post. I'll definitely post a close up of this of this design. I just said that. I like repeating myself, but yeah. So it's really nothing much else to see. I'll just quickly add it and add some shading in the background just to have it a little bit, to have the design pop a little bit. And as always, if you like the video, hit that like button. And since you're down there, let me know if you've watched her performance. Or if not, watch it right now, come back to this video, and let me know how you like it. Laters.